how to make money on YouTube without necessarily making a video. So let's get this video started. I'll be sharing with you ways to make money on YouTube easily, directly and indirectly. The first one I have on my list is video editing services. This would never go out of business because there are tons of people that are coming on YouTube. A lot of content creators, they want video editing services. I also employ the offer of a video editing service because the video editing is overwhelming. It's time consuming, and sometimes you don't just enjoy it when you need to think and do some other things. You can just outsource that. Number 2 is thumbnail designer services. Absolutely. Before anybody would watch a content, the thumbnail is number 1, right? They have to see. It's just like they have to see before they consume. So if you're a thumbnail designer, you've created designs, and this you don't even need to stress yourself. You can create some of your designs on Canva, post them on your Instagram, just create a form of a portfolio that when people ask you, can I see some of the designs you've created, you just share a link of either your Instagram page or a Facebook page, and they just go there and see the beautiful designs you've created. So you can offer that particular services. Number 3 is SEO service. See, this I don't know if people are really into this. I don't know. And if people are not yet into this, I still don't know why. Because understanding this search engine optimization is sort of confusing. It takes, I don't know how you as a content creator would have to be a video editor, be a thumbnail designer, be an SEO, do all these things. And it has to be an SEO manager or SEO specialist. You have to understand the algorithm. You have to really understand analytics. You have to be able to ensure that your client is able to get views and put their title in a way that it's searchable. And like, see, if you understand all these jargons and you enjoy it, please just go for this. Number 4 is YouTube channel flipping. When I heard of this, I was like, really? What does it mean? It just means that probably you just like scouting for channels, you buy and you sell. All right, for example, let me use my channel for example. If like I've built this channel to a point and I've gotten a point where I'm done with this channel, I want to move on, you just go and meet a channel flipper manager and tell you want to sell your channel. The only thing you need to do is just you sell, at least get to an extent, probably you are either monetize or close to that. Then they buy from you, they work on the channel, they just work on the channel and do the necessary needed branding, then they resell. They resell to at a higher price. You know why? Because now a lot of content creators don't want to start from the scratch of looking for subscribers, of trying to build watch time hour. They just want this ready made. So if they have the money, why not just pay and life is easy. Now money can do so many things, so why stress? Exactly right. Number 9, you can offer a YouTube channel management services. See, just like the name implies, what do? You just help your clients manage their YouTube page, check that their video is out at the right time, do your necessary diligence, schedule the right content, let it go, and just necessary all the channel management to ensure that it is running smoothly. If you can do this, that means you have to understand the algorithm and analytics. If you understand it, please, this is a good business for you to go to. Now, this remaining 2 I have here are sort of linked with making videos, is affiliate marketing. This particular one is one I'm still looking into investing deeply in. You have a company you like to sell their product. The only thing you need to do is that you mention them in your video and you add the link in your description box. The moment people go there and buy, you have your commission. That's purely what affiliate marketing is. So get a company that sells a product that you feel. Oh, and additionally, I would advise that ensure that the product you are selling is related to your channel in a way, right? It's not that you're selling this A and you are advertising Z, it doesn't align. So ensure that the affiliate marketing avenue you choose is what aligns with your channel. I hope that makes sense. I don't know if I should put this as another option, but this is still limited to affiliate market, and this is digital marketing. Now everything, you can sell a lot of things online. Like me, I currently sell my friend course online, and I advertise it on every of my YouTube videos. That if you like to learn French for 3 months, do well to enroll for the class. You can also use the link in the description box to send a direct message to me. So if you have online courses you would like to sell, or digital products you would like to sell, you can also push it out, right? Put it on your YouTube video. You can mention it on your YouTube video and also put the link in the description box. So whoever wants to access can use the link and get your course. It's so easy. So the only thing stopping you now is you. Please stop scrolling and not making money. Instead of you scrolling, you can even make shorts. Just do something 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and just put and enjoy yourself. But if you don't want to make videos, these are avenues. I hope you found this video helpful. Please go to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.